Hi, I'm Robert with Galaxy Tree Services. I'm out here today in Royal Oak with a customer on the job site. We facilitated trimming all of the trees that were overhanging into the pool area and interfering with the wires. We also took out a silver maple in the back corner behind me. I was suffering from speckling and a hollow cavity. We took care of all this right in the middle of winter. We work year-round. We put 2 crews out in the field today on this one job site to get it done quicker. We're available 24/7. We facilitate emergency service calls 365 days a year. And give us a call for a consultation at your convenience. We'll schedule an appointment and we will be out right after.